In SAP S/4HANA, both primary and secondary cost elements are now created as GL accounts using transaction code FS00. I will demonstrate you this difference by creating one GL account into SAP ECC and the second one is into SAP S/4HANA. So in my right hand side, it is SAP ECC and on the left, it is SAP S/4HANA. First, I will go to the transaction code FS00 in SAP ECC. FS00, and normally, if you remember, we use this transaction code to create GL accounts. So now I will use the company code 2000 and create a new GL account, let's say 003. Create button, and then you choose the account group. So I will use the account group general GL accounts. So P&L statement account and balance sheet account. So this will be P&L statement account because cost elements are created for profit and loss accounts and not for balance sheet accounts, which you already know. So I will choose the account type. I will just enter X and short text. Let's say this is sales account. And I will go to the control tab and choose the account text category, which is only input text allowed. Line item display so that I can see the line items for all those transactions which will be posted by using this GL account so that I can see the totals balance. Sort key, I will put, let's say, sort key is that how the document list will be sorted. So I will use cost center. Create bank or interest, I will choose the field status group by cost accounts. Okay, and that's it. So I will go and then save my GL account. So 477003 is created as sales account. That was that's what we are doing into SAP ECC. And then if we want to create cost element, then we will click on this button, edit cost element, or we were using transaction codes KA01 to create primary cost element and KA06 to create secondary cost element. So, or you can click this button, edit cost element, and then you will enter the date. Suppose I will type today's date or the beginning of the financial year date, let's say 1st of April 2019, and click on master data. And I will choose the cost element category, let's say primary cost. Okay, and we'll choose the default account assignment. So I will choose the relevant cost center as per this cost element. Let's say this is sales account, so I will choose motorcycle sales. So default account assignment is that whenever this cost element will be used, so automatically the cost center will be popped up. So you don't have to choose the cost center manually. and then click on save. So first you created GL account and then you created cost element and then you assigned cost center as a default account assignment. So that's what the steps we are following when we create GL account or cost element into SAP ECC. Now I will show you how GL account is now created into SAP S/4HANA along with cost elements. So I will go into SAP S/4HANA. Again, go to the transaction code FS00. So AZ01 is my company code and I want to create a GL account centrally. So I will click on create button and type 416102. Continue and GL account type. Okay, I will choose primary costs or revenue. So you see that this GL account type was not into SAP ECC. This has been added into SAP S/4HANA, which allows primary and secondary cost elements to be created on the same screen along with the GL account. So it's a bit easier now. And choose the account group. Let's say this is profit and loss and choose the account type. Let's say X. Short text. Okay, I wanna create this as an electricity account, which is a purchase account. Again, uh, electricity or purchase account is the part of profit and loss account. So let's say electricity. Right, and then go to the control data and choose the text category that is only input text allowed. Sort key, again you can use cost center to sort the list of transactions. Cost element category, you see that cost element category is in the same screen where you are creating the GL account now. So choose 01, which is primary cost. And if you notice, you don't have line item display field, which you have in SAP ECC. Here, line item display. Why line item display is no longer there? Because in SAP S/4HANA, the totals table is no longer required because data can be aggregated from the line item table, which is ACDOCA, that is also used for reporting. So this avoids data redundancy. So that's the reason we don't have line item display into SAP S/4HANA. Go to the next tab and assign the field status group. So I will use G004 as cost center. And that's it. So when you click on save, so your electricity account has been created both as GL account and cost element.